How to change your currency on Shein application. I guess first thing if you change your currency on Shein app, if that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Shein application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, tap on setting icon. As soon as you click on setting, you can see the option for currency over here. You are looking to change currency, right? Click on currency. You can see multiple currencies. Just select the one according to your preference. If you want to change it to euro dollar, click on euro. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna change your currency on Shein application. If you guys have any issues regarding Shein, make sure to comment down below. And if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.